Hey everyone, welcome to Python HowTo. In this video we are going to write a program that fetches the price of Bitcoin using web scraping. If you are interested in web scraping but don't know much about it, this video could be really helpful for you. First, let me give you a quick explanation of web scraping. Web scraping is a set of techniques we use to extract data from one or more web pages and make use of it. For example, you could write a program to find out which online shop is selling an RTX 4090 graphics card for the lowest price. Alright, to get started we need to install two libraries, requests and beautiful soup. So open up your terminal or CMD and type pip install requests space beautiful soup 4 and hit enter. After the libraries are installed, create a Python file and import these libraries. I create a file btc.py in desktop and import libraries. Import requests, and for importing beautiful soup we must write from bs4 import beautiful soup. B and S is capital. Okay, I mentioned that web scraping is all about extracting some specific information from a web page, and this is the web page we will be scraping. I will drop the link in the description for you to use. This is a Google search page that shows us the current price of Bitcoin. I will copy this link and store it in a variable called URL. Okay? Also, when doing web scraping, we need to make sure that websites don't think we are bots. Or sometimes there's information that can only be seen with one browser and not another. To tackle these two issues, we need to set up the headers sections, which you don't write it yourself, just copy it from description. Keep this handy because you will probably need it for all your web scraping projects in future. Okay, so I will copy this and put it in my program. Now I need to send a request to the URL that I have. We will do this with the requests libraries and get method. I pass the URL and make sure you include the headers equals headers that we defined earlier. This request will return us a response. So I will store this in a variable called response. This response contains all the information on that web page. Now we want to make a soup from this page and extract the parts we are interested in. Imagine you have soup for lunch and you don't like carrots. What do? You'd pick out the carrots. Here we are going to do something similar. So I will create a variable called soup equals use beautiful soup and pass the response to it. But make sure to use response.text, which includes the simple HTML tags and code. Also, we need to specify that the data in response.text is HTML. So I will add html.parser as another parameter. Okay, our soup is ready. Now we need to extract what we want. What do we want? The price of Bitcoin, right? If you go back to the web page, right click in your browser and select inspect, then click on this arrow, then click on arrow that we want to scrap. In this video, I want to scrap this price. So I click on this, and here you can see the Bitcoin price is within a span tag with a specific class, PCLQEE. I copy class name. With this information, we can extract the price of Bitcoin. So back to code, and I create a variable called price element equals and use soup.find with the first parameter being the tag type, which is span, and the second parameter specifying that class underline equals the class name PCLQEE. Now it's possible that someday this page might be taken down, or its structures could change, or the class name could be different. So in the future we might not have access to this. To handle this, you can create a variable and set price equals price element dot text if price element is exist. Otherwise, else price equals string not found. The reason I use price element dot text is because price element store the whole tag, but I only want the text inside it, which is the Bitcoin price. Okay? Finally, we can use the Bitcoin price. For example, we can print it out. So I will create an f string that say the Bitcoin price and put price inside it. Now if I run my program, you see that it works perfectly. We can add the $sign here that make our output prettier. I rerun the program and this is the last Bitcoin price. If you found this video helpful, please like it and leave a comment. If you want more videos like this, make sure to check Python How To. So until the next video, take care.